everyone, my name is Siobhan DeBlasio, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a snowflake ornament.
So what we need for this craft are snowflake frames from Amazon.com, beads from your favorite bead source, mine is Michael's, needle nose pliers, regular pliers, scissors, and any ribbon that you would like to use. This one's from Michael's as well.
First, take one of your snowflake frames. Second, pick out some beads. For this frame, I decided to pick out some clear and white beads to go with a traditional icy snowflake look, but you can use any beads that you would like. Each snowflake frame has 6 legs. So first, we're going to create one pattern . Now that I've created a pattern, I'm going to take my needle nose pliers and I'm going to bend the wire to create a loop. Just like this. Now take your regular pliers and squeeze the loop together. Just like that, so it's nice and snug and the beads are secure on the leg. These are just some of the snowflake ornaments I make with my mom every holiday season. They make the perfect gift for family and friends. So I hope you enjoy my how-to video. So now that we are done with our snowflake, we are going to take some string, this much, and we're going to attach it to our snowflake. Just go ahead and put the string through one of the loops. I'm going to tie it. I just do a double knot. Tighten it nice and secure. Now we have a beautiful snowflake Christmas ornament to hang on our tree, by a window, or anywhere that you would like.